TOEFL Practice Test 1. Now open your book to Practice Test 1, Section 1. Read the directions in your book as you listen to the directions on this recording. You may not read ahead or turn the pages while the instructions for each part are being read. TOEFL Practice Test 1, Section 1. Listening Comprehension. In this section of the test, you will have an opportunity to demonstrate your ability to understand conversations and talks in English. There are 3 parts to this section with special directions for each part. Answer all the questions on the basis of what is stated or implied by the speakers you hear. Do not take notes or write in your test book at any time. Do not turn the pages until you are told to do so. Part A. Directions. In Part A, you will hear short conversations between 2 people. After each conversation, you will hear a question about the conversation. The conversations and questions will not be repeated. After you hear a question, read the 4 possible answers in your test book and choose the best answer. Then, on your answer sheet, find the number of the question and fill in the space that corresponds to the letter of the answer you have chosen. Here is an example. On the recording, you hear,
"What's the weather been like there this winter?"
About the same as last.
"What does the woman mean?" In your test book, you read, A. At last winter is almost over. B. She doesn't like winter weather very much. C. This winter's weather is similar to last winter's weather. D. Winter won't last as long this year as it did last year. From the conversation, you learn that the woman thinks the weather this winter is almost the same as the weather last winter. The best answer to the question, "What does the woman mean?" is C. This winter's weather is similar to last winter's weather. Therefore, the correct choice is C. Go on to Part A. Now we will begin Part A with the first conversation. Number 1.
What would you say to a few days off?
Super.
What does the woman mean? Number 2.
This food sure is spicy.
No kidding.
What does the woman mean? Number 3.
Wasn't that a great movie?
I've seen better.
What does the man mean? Number 4.
That's a fantastic stereo system. It must have been expensive.
I bought it on sale.
What does the man imply about his stereo? Number 5.
You look different. Did you change your hair?
Yes, I had it cut last week.
What does the woman mean? Number 6.
Could you please bring me a bowl of soup and a salad?
Right away.
What does the man mean? Number 7.
Have you come up with a guest speaker for the banquet?
Not so far, but I'm working on it.
What does the woman mean? Number 8.
Someone's here to see you.
What?
What does the woman want to know? Number 9.
Can you tell me how to use this pay telephone?
The instructions are written on the poster right next to it.
What will the man probably do next? Number 10.
How did you do at getting contributions for the scholarship?
Well, we're still short $200.
What does the man mean? Number 11.
Are you going to be able to come with us to the game?
I'm afraid not. I have to work late.
What does the man mean? Number 12.
Sam, are you the one who picked up the picnic table for us?
No, I got Tony to do it.
What does Sam say about the table? Number 13.
When are you going to move into the dorm, Randy?
I'm not sure. I'd like to be able to wait until after summer vacation.
What does Randy mean? Number 14.
Thanks for fixing that broken chair.
The glue isn't dry yet. The legs are still unstable.
What does the man say about the chair? Number 15.
This assignment is too much. I'll never get it done.
No need to panic. Just take it one step at a time.
What does the woman think the man should do? Number 16.
Would you rather stay home tonight?
Oh, let's go ahead and go out. I'll get my second wind.
What does the woman want to do? Number 17.
I can't figure out how to turn off the coffee machine.
Did you check the instructions? They're printed on the back.
What does the woman think the man should do? Number 18.
I just heard that starting tomorrow, students will no longer be allowed to use the gym for free.
If I were you, I'd speak to the athletic department about that. That kind of policy doesn't really seem fair.
What does the man suggest the woman do? Number 19.
Those new drapes are gorgeous.
Thanks. They're practical, too. My heating bill has gone way down since I put them in.
What does the man mean? Number 20.
John sure seems happy with his new bicycle.
He really got a good deal on it at the bike sale.
What does the man mean? Number 21.
We're going to get something to eat now. Aren't you coming?
I just finished a sandwich.
What does the man imply? Number 22.
Isn't Professor Larson the only faculty member in the English department who has written a book?
Far from it. There are a number of others who've done a lot of publishing.
What does the woman mean? Number 23.
We really ought to find a place to store all of these books.
Maybe we should get some bookcases.
What problem do the speakers have? Number 24.
I guess I'm going to have to take George to the airport.
Why don't you get someone else to do it?
What does the woman suggest the man do? Number 25.
I hear you're going to take the 6-week French immersion class this summer. Did you get a grant to help pay for it?
Are you kidding? I have to pay for all of my own tuition, not to mention my room and board.
What does the man say about the immersion class? Number 26.
I don't like the looks of those clouds.
I wouldn't worry about them. If it starts to rain, we'll just move our picnic indoors.
What does the woman mean? Number 27.
It's going to take me several days to revise this research paper.
Unfortunately, it's due tomorrow.
What does the man mean? Number 28.
Listen to this. The Student Association is going to nominate you for class president.
Oh, no. Are you kidding?
What does the man mean? Number 29.
Paul didn't show up at the meeting today.
I know. What I want to know is if he finished that report he promised.
What does the woman mean? Number 30.
We're ready to leave for the theater now. Aren't you coming?
I'll catch up. I'm waiting for Jane.
What does the man imply? This is the end of Part A. Go on to Part B.